Well, welcome back to another episode. We are doing Manning Gorge today.
Yep, we have had a day or two to try and regroup after our battery issues and a few bits and pieces. So we've done a little bit of cleaning in the van and whatnot, and yeah, we're still here at Manning Campground, but we're going to attempt to do this walk today. The hardest bit is going to be doing this first river crossing, the swim, to begin the walk, because it's about 6:10 and
We have to swim.
there is mist across the water, so it's clearly very, very cold.
Whose bright idea was this to do it at 6 a.m?
I don't know. Anyway, let's get in.
At least there's a blue tub here, so we can just put our stuff straight in.
Can you see the mist?
Yeah, you can see the mist. Alright, time to go in. Are you going to brave it first?
I made a mistake.
Is it alright? It's not that cold? Okay. I can deal with that.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
It's not too bad. Oh, that rock is very slippery. It's not too bad. Definitely colder at Karajini. And you can see the bottom as well, which really helps. Yeah, I'm a lot slower than Josh is. He's practically at the end already.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know.
Well, we are almost here because there's the river. Alright, Jackie, hopefully around this corner is the end of the track, we hope.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want to do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Okay, so we just got back from the Manning Gorge walk. It was beautiful. It actually took us probably around 3 hours. By the time you walk out there, walk back to campsite, swim a bit out there, it does take probably closer to 3. And then we didn't stay out there for very long. So, but really, really beautiful walk, beautiful swimming, beautiful falls, absolutely lovely. Really, really nice walk. So we're just I'm just kind of tidying the van a bit and packing, because Josh has just gone up to the roadhouse. He's just checking to see if the road and the river crossing is open yet. If it is, we're going to go across it probably this afternoon. Our car battery, now that we've only got the one battery running the fridges, it's not really coping very well, and it needs probably a big drive to kick it into gear. The solar's helping, but overnight it goes flat. So we really need to sort out our battery issues. So we'll do that and we'll let you know what happens, but hopefully the road is open so we can carry on. It just depends on how deep this river crossing still is. They were saying anywhere between 600 and 800 mils still, which is quite high. And we don't really want to damage any of our gear because it's the start of our trip. Like, we're day 12 and we've still got, 7.5 months to go. So we don't want to damage anything, but we'll get there and I'll keep you posted. Okay, so update. Good news. The river crossing is open. It's about waist height, but they've filled in the road underneath the river. So we should be able to get across okay. So I thought I'd just show you some of the stuff that I do to prepare the van prior to doing the corrugation roads, just to make sure everything's neat and tidy and away. So one thing we do is we pull the TV off the TV point and we put it in the bed under the sheets. And then another thing that I do is I pull we've got fusion lock in the shower. So I actually pull our caddy off the wall and I put it on a towel in there, just so it doesn't shake off and then shampoo goes everywhere. Same with this one here, our soap. I just pull that out and I just put it in a like a little jug that we use to measure water and stuff, and I just pop that away so that it doesn't leak or anything, because we have seen that those ones go everywhere and we don't want that to happen. And then just make sure everything's tidy and away, and fridge is locked and shower's locked, and then we are good to go.
Alright, well, I've walked it. It's as deep as my waist in the middle as it was this morning, but we're going to try a line slightly downriver, which is never best going downriver first, but it's a lot shallower and the sand feels hard enough, so I don't know, wish us luck. Anyway, we're going to go through. Lots of cars going through, but no one towing a van, so we'll see how we go.
That?
That was alright, it was good.
Yeah, it didn't come up too high on the van.
Nah, well, you can see, good thing we take, there was a little bit here.
Yeah.
So we'll pull it off, pull the sticky.
Yeah. Okay, so we have successfully crossed the Barnett River. And how did you find that crossing?
Yeah, it was good at the end. Well, it wasn't that bad. This morning it was real boggy and people were taking the middle line because one person got bogged down in that downstream area, but now
memories that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time home with you, but I'm coming home.
Well, welcome to Mount Elizabeth Station. Here we go. There she is. And that is where we are leaving the episode.
That's it. We're going to have a look around Mount Elizabeth next episode. We're just going to check in now. And yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.